That's kind of cute. Do it. Oh, you're rolling. Oh, you're rolling already.
I'm rolling.
Hey guys, Richard here and Emma. Hey, we're gonna take out the brand new MeetOne Pair because there's two of us and we're not a pair, we're father and daughter, but we're gonna go out and check it out for its first ride, give you our first initial thoughts and just try to have some fun today, which is started off really good, right? I mean, we're already having fun. We're having fun already, so don't chop off my head, Emma. What are you doing? No,
it's coming for you.
no, it's supposed to be not like that.
It's not like that.
It looks like it's
like that.
Bugs.
What do you want to do? Redo the whole thing?
No, we're not going to redo the whole thing.
Okay,
Stick around, we're going to have fun.
Let's go.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah. There's lots of
you got enough room?
Yeah, there's lots of knee room.
Okay, well, here we go. You hold the camera.
And
Oh, it creaks.
it does creak, doesn't it?
It creaked a little. Go off the side, curb there, all right? It's dumb. It's just dumb. All right, here we go. Ready? You got it? We got it. So the motor's kind of quiet. Only one motor on this bike, not two like the Tour. It's kind of more like the Breeze with one motor, one battery. But you can get a second battery, Emma, installed, and it goes right underneath your seat.
Yeah?
Yeah. 3 levels of
That'd be
pedal
nice.
assist, 1, 2, 3. We're going to zoom on up. We're in 3 now. Go a little bit faster here. We can go about 15 miles per hour. Bike feels nice and stable. Going around this curve. Don't have any issues.
I don't
Yeah.
want to take out a car.
What?
I said I don't want to take out a car. Like,
Oh.
you're going to have to let me know if there's a car.
Oh, yeah, we're good. Hey, we're going to take a left turn, though. Let's take a left turn right here. I'm taking a left, taking a left. This is kind of cool. I think this is going to be a good seller for MeetOne because it's good quality. It's MeetOne quality, right? And it rides like a regular bike, or trike, I should say. And you know what? 2 people can go along. So when you have couples where one of them maybe is unable to ride by themselves, this is perfect. Or for younger families that maybe have a disabled child or something that's unable to ride by themselves, this is perfect for that. And make a sharp left turn here. Very stable again.
It's what sensor?
It's a torque sensor. Oh, there we go. Yeah. I'm liking it. This is fun. What? That's kind of an interesting shot. Hey, don't whack this guy in the head with the camera.
Don't whack what, dude?
Right here on the side.
Oh, okay.
Harriman's Solar. Somebody's getting solar panels. They're going to regret that. Another house for sale. Hi. We're not filming you. We're filming us. Didn't want her to run around thinking that we were photographing her and her kid. That wouldn't be cool. All right. Hey, Emma, do you want to switch and you want to drive?
Sure. My arms are getting tired.
Oh, your arms are tired. Okay, I'm braking. Kind of there. Oh, she's already saddled up. Okay, let me get on now. How's that? What's that look like? What's it look like to get a big guy to get over here and get on this thing? Can a big guy do it? A big guy can do it. Yes, even the fat people can ride this trike.
Are your size 20s fitting okay on those?
My size 13s are perfectly on the pegs. All arms and feet and legs are away from the wheels. So I think that's going to work just fine. Just having a little fun with the camera work, Emma. Yeah. What?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing?
What are you doing? You can't do. Hey, I'll drive. You go. Go ahead. I'll steer. Here, I'll use the throttle. I can't quite see what I'm doing though. What?
Make me nervous.
Good thing you're a skinny girl. Yeah. What?
What?
Huh? Oh, there's a car behind us. You steer.
I'm steering now.
Oh, okay. Let me take this back.
Why?
No, let me have it because you
Why?
can't do that and drive.
Yeah, I can.
What do you? No, let me steer.
I'm steering. I'm pedaling too.
You're gonna hit a car.
See?
Parked car.
Look. Oh, it's okay if it's mine.
It was yours.
I can get a
so-
new one. I'll just pull out insurance on it here.
Okay. The fun we're having. Almost whacked that car. I didn't see it coming.
It's kind of easy to do. Tell you what, I can see China from here with these mirrors.
What's that?
I said I can see China from here with these mirrors.
Yeah. Let me do this. Whoa, I didn't know you were turning. Ugh. There we go. You see the selfie stick. Hey, I don't have one of those fancy little hidden selfie sticks that gets blurred out because that only comes with one specific camera that I know of. And we don't have that specific camera. So you have to look at our selfie stick. Yeah.
Turning again.
Oh, I almost hit the curb with the camera. Whoa, we're turning. I didn't know that. I need a counterbalance just a smidgen.
Look at the duckies.
Yeah, there's. No. Look at the
See,
ducks
now you
over in the
gotta-
pond. Can you see them? You see?
Probably not.
No, the camera's not turned right. Oh. Can you see them now? It's like you've never seen ducks before. They're way over there. They probably can't see them anyway. They'd rather look at me and you.
No, they don't. They want to look at the bike. They want to look at the new MeetOne Pair.
Yeah.
That's a really pretty purpley gray color.
What was that?
I said that's a really pretty purpley gray color
It is pretty color.
and has very comfortable seats.
It does have comfortable seats, especially the passenger seat. Passenger seat, guys, is very comfortable. The rider seat, mostly comfortable. You can adjust it a little bit right here. I mean, you can adjust this backrest so it goes up forward a little bit and back a little bit.
Did you show them your little basket in the back?
The basket?
Yeah.
Oh, we've got a little basket in the back. I'll try to show you that. See? Can you see that? I'm not sure if you saw that or not.
We got a basket in the front too.
Yeah. There we go. Oh. I keep having to adjust the angle of the camera depending on what I'm doing.
I know.
There, now you can see the basket a little bit better. You can get a couple of bags of groceries back there. They got terrible mirrors though. You see the mirrors on this thing?
I don't know how they can't.
My opinion, terrible mirrors. I don't like the mirrors, but that's okay. That's MeetOne mirror. They put that on all their trikes. That's okay. Swap them out. You can get really nice mirrors for about $30. I would highly recommend. Bring you up here close and personal.
As big as these mirrors are, I can't see if there's anything behind us.
We're not using our helmets, so I can't hear what you're saying. What?
Oh. I said as big as these mirrors are, I can't see anything behind us.
That's okay. I'll use the camera. There's nobody back there right now. All right, let's wrap this thing up. Oh, because we're right here in front of the house, she slams on the brakes. Oh my! Ooh. Watch the curbs. This doesn't have rear suspension, kid. Guys, yeah, we're trying to have a little fun today on a Saturday because neither one of us are really feeling it. We'd rather both go back to bed probably and sleep a few more hours, but here we are, Saturday morning, trying to make you some content. We hope you enjoyed it. If so, give us a what? A big old thumbs up. Comment down below. If you're interested in checking out the new MeetOne Pair, follow the link over below. It's not going to cost you anything extra. No, I promise it won't. But it could help us just a smidgen, and it is Christmas time, right? Yeah. Hey, you guys ride responsibly, ride safe. We'll see you in another video real soon.